Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 BMW X1. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV. Slightly smaller than the X3, the X1 gives you all the refinements, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy-to-navigate option. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, keyless entry, dual airbags, Bluetooth, panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.